With all the types of changes that are necessary to accommodate the ways that we need to do business during this COVID-19 era and in response to the global pandemic, what are some of the change management tactics that you suggest for handling that?
Yeah, that's a deep question, and there's a lot of ways to look at that. One consideration is that people have actually become more accustomed to change. All of a sudden, everybody's said you can't come into the office. You got to work remote. You've got to learn the new video communications. That can be a good thing, but we also need to consider the concept of change fatigue, meaning people have been asked to change so much recently that they might either be starting to blur it and become numb to the concept of change, or they're fearful of change, meaning we don't know what's coming next. And one of the biggest things we've found in the recent pandemic is the biggest fear for companies and for people is the unknown. Not knowing if furloughs are coming, not knowing if layoffs are coming, not knowing if business is going to come back or when. And that level of fear is what's driving people to basically hold off going through any kind of transformation. So what we recommend is opening up communications even to a greater degree. The idea of transparency, of sharing with people the effect that this has had on our company, what we're doing for it, how we're doing it, why we're now going through a digital transformation. Hopefully towards the end of this pandemic, how the organization is going to benefit, and how everybody as individuals within our company or organization is also going to benefit from this change. So I think just opening up, realizing that change has become the norm, but it's not, it's always going to be an unknown and a fear driver if it's left to the unknown.